Hey, what's up everyone? Welcome to Profit at Web for one more learning video tutorial. And today we are going to get margin position. Okay, so you have been already saw that I've been covered the real-time position start of derivatives using Python. Okay, so if you try this stuff, you will get an entry price as well as size. So only two information is available. In this case, in this margin position, you will get all of the stuff, okay, related to entry price, size, and mark price, the symbol, and lot of information will be there. Okay, so special which I am for here for getting margin position is liquidation price. Okay, so if you get to the website of Delta Exchange and if you get to the positions, okay, if you see that whichever we try to do order placement, I will definitely get a liquidation price. Okay, now this liquidation price consists of 2624. Okay, so from entry price whatever you got, okay, at least 500 points will be there. Okay, so 500 550 like something like that. Okay, but I believe what happens, the price if it gets hit, you will get some heavy kind of a trading fees will be there. Okay, so click on this home page. We will get some of informations which I'm looking for. Okay, so if you just get here, we are talking about as a trading fees. So if you click on this stuff, you will get all of what futures trading fees are there. Okay, so taker maker is there. So according to that, your order placement as per the market, this way it will be go. Okay, so if you try to get with this thing, so that is how the fees will be there. So if you go with options as of right now, if you go with any kind of a order fees, it will be like that. Okay, so that is how you should go. Okay, so point, I believe whatever the prices are there, so that is how we can go and we can check here. And there is a liquidation fees is also there. So BTC ETS, so it's a 0.05%. Okay, which I was talking about. So that is the reason you need to avoid. And here, so that is up to this will be there. So it's better you avoid the liquidation fees. So for that reason, what you can do, you can get the liquidation price, and according to that, you can place your stop losses at max. Okay, so that is the reason I'm talking about. So let's get with these things. So all you need is code. Okay, so especially what we can do, we just we can refer our previous code and we can get started. So just copy. I'll just give you link in the description. So whichever the first code is available as how to place stop loss order. So we already have a margin and we are placing the order. Okay, it will be very much simple. Okay, if you follow the basics and all of this video you have been done, this is very much easy. It will be just smooth. Okay, so just check it out. So I will paste it in my ID. Okay, and let us get in our ID. So I'll show you what I'm doing. As you can see, I'm in my ID, and in this stuff, as you see, I already have an order placement going with get position, and all I have to say is margin underscore position to get all the stuff. Okay, I will place the same order, okay, without anything. So I just run control B. So all of the entries will get from liquidate, from entry price. Okay, now only changes I'm looking for is I'll do it all the stuff from the liquidation price. Okay, if you just check it out, I think we are good to go. The previous which I'm talking about, the ticker, from that we definitely required a product ID. From product ID we are giving in this margin position as well. Okay, so in the documentation at front page is not available, but this code is available in GitHub, so you can check it out. Say suppose if you want to go at like entry price or something, say suppose if you're trailing or something and you got good profit, you can do the entry price if you're doing it first, and you want to check with the liquidation price and to go. So this will be the best. Okay, so we got entry price, size, and one more thing which I can do, I can say is LQP. And in this LQP, what we can do, we just have to do the same stuff. Okay, So I'll just try to print as this well, and later we will get to our stop losses as well. So I'll show you here. So entry price, liquidation price. Okay. So we try to give, and I'll try to show you what are the things we got here. So right now we don't straight away get to placing the order. We just track each and everything. Okay. First of all, we'll print this position and see what we got. Okay. So we'll just go with these things. So once we say, we'll give the product ID. So in product ID getting the ticker, we already have a market price which we can get from a margin position as well. Okay. So all of the stuff, as you can see, have been created, and what are the things are running unrealized P&L, which is $21 as of right now it is running. Okay, and all of the stuff is available. Okay, and there's a mark price is there, so what kind of a prices it is running around. We can see liquidation price for sure, it is what I've been already shown to you. The entry price is there, so I think at last we got all those stuff. Okay, entry price, and what I saw. Okay, I think I didn't change here entry price. So entry, instead of entry price, it will be what? Liquidation. What I have to say, liquidation price. Okay, and we can get the liquidation price. So let's check with what we got. Okay, so we got the size, we got all the stuff. So let's see. Yeah, I think 2625 is the liquidation price. So we got this stuff and we are good to go. And you can check with the mark price as well, so that is available. If you are getting the tick price, so try to get this stuff. Okay, so as if we are going with this stuff, I just have to say, suppose I already have a sell order. Okay, means I'm getting with the option sell. Now what happens if I have to do the same thing as in buy? I mean, so from liquidation price, how much I want to go. So what I can say, I can put the liquidation price according to that. And if you refer the previous video, I already told you what is the reason of placing this one. So I must say that try to get with this stuff. Okay, so I can say at 100 points or something like that. Okay, minus from liquidation price, try to be minus 100, and we can say this as 150 or something. We'll try to see this stuff, and we can keep this as a 200. So that is how we can see. Okay, so let's put this stuff and see what we got. Okay, from the liquidation price, it will we'll get some stuff. Okay, so I already got the order response. So let's check in the browser. So we'll see it here, and we'll get with the option. We can get with the trackers as well. So here I think we got the stop orders as 3. So from one will be from the entry price, second will be from the liquidation price. Okay, so we can check it out. So 1796. Okay, so I believe this price, it goes from what? I mean, this is bracket SL for sure. Okay, this is different. This is what 2 orders have been placed as of right now. Okay, so limit price, what we are talking about as in trigger price 2425 and 2475. Okay, so first we need to check the entry price. So entry price is around 2046, 2625. So highest numbers, which I guess, I believe this will be from the liquidation price, and this what we placed is from the entry price. Okay, so nearby values, which we can say what we got as of right now from the entry price, whatever we triggered. So this will be from the entry price, and this will be from the liquidation price. So we nearby liquidation price only. Okay, 2625. From that we try to move. Okay, so 2475 I said. So higher the price will be there, will be required, to be for its security. Okay, so at limit price it should be higher, and the trigger sharp price should be lower. Okay, So I think you checked in the code what have been done. Okay, so according to that you can do, and if it is a sell price, you need to do vice versa. Okay, so mantra, buy low, sell high. So sell high means higher price will be kind of here, and like lower to lower price will be here. So once you trigger price will be there, so at least limit price should hold up for you. Okay, so to make sure that it is getting triggered. Okay, so I must say try it out this stuff. Check the margin position book, and do see what type of order placement you want to do, and what are the things you want to try. Okay, and there are n number of things are there which I believe it is not available in the documentation as all of the stuff. Okay, and I will try to give you simple to simple explanation that is step by step, easy to do process. Okay, I must say stay subscribed. Okay, thanks for watching. Please do like, share, and if you have any doubt regarding this video, please do comment below. If you have any other queries or requirements, please do contact me at WhatsApp.